Hello, welcome to today's discussion about the if function of an Excel. This is very important feature of provided by Excel. It is a function. By using this function, we can apply a condition in Excel and decide if that condition matches, then what output should be displayed, and if that condition doesn't match, then which output should be displayed. This condition is used in a formula as if condition, true statement, comma, false statement. Now let's discuss. We have one example as if this is the age and the remark. If age is below 18, then remark should be minor. If it is equal to and greater than 18, then it is adult. Greater than 18, adult. Now let's see the formula. If B4 means the age value, that is 12, is greater than or equal to 18, then give remark as an adult, else as a minor. Now in this case, first upon we will check. Let's check the condition. Logical test it is. B4 is greater than or equal to 18. Is it for the B4? No. It is 12, which is less than 18. So the remark should be minor. So if this case fails, then remark is minor. Otherwise, if this is true, then remark is the first one, that is adult. Okay. See, B4 is greater than or equal to 18, adult or minor. Here the logical test fails. So remark should be the second one, that is minor. For the second value, that is B5 value, the logical test is true. That is B5 is greater than 18. It is 26. So of course the remark should be adult. This is the formula for the if value. Let's see. If into bracket. See, this is a formula. If logical test means in this example we have to check whether the B column contains the value greater than or equal to 18. This is our logical test. If it is true, value if true, then remark should be adult. If it is false, remark is minor. Okay, this is a simple logical test. This is a single if loop. Now let's discuss about the nested if. Okay. Here it is, this is the example. If basic is greater than 4000, then post is deputy manager, that is DY manager. If it is between 2500 to 4000, then it is officer. If it is less than 2500, then it is a trainee. Now in this example we have to check two conditions. Okay, so let's see how we will check. Our first condition is B4. B4 value means this is the basic. This is B column. B4 value means here 5000. Check whether B4 value is greater than 4000. If it is true, then deputy manager, right? But if it is false, again we have two conditions. If it is false, either he is an officer or a trainee. Okay, so we will use second if here in false section. Okay, we'll again check the condition whether B4 is greater than or equal to 2500. If it is true, then it is officer, otherwise trainee. Okay, this is our second if loop, okay, which is in false section of the if, first if. See here, if logical test is true, it is a deputy manager, but if it is false, then we have to check two conditions, whether he is an officer or a trainee. So we have to apply second if here. Second if B4 is greater than or equal to 2500, comma, in inverted comma it is the first remark, otherwise the false remark, that is trainee. So this is what our nested if. We have to use 2 times if, so it is called as a nested if. Again for the second row, if B5 is greater than or equal to 4000, deputy manager. Now here it is a officer, first condition fails, our first logical test fails, so we have to look after in second if loop. We have to check second condition. For the first one, we will check only the first condition because it is true. So this is our concern part. But for the second one, we have to check the second if loop. That is B5 is greater than or equal to 2500. If it is so, then officer, otherwise trainee. Okay, this is what a nested if. Now let's see multiple if statements. This is our example. Now we have a combination of the inputs. Till last example, we have a single column as an input. For this multiple if, there are 2 columns we have to use as a input data. Here, first is COVID test result, second is chronic disease. Okay, we have a 4 combinations of the data. Okay, so it is positive if COVID test result is positive, and if he is passing from he had some chronic disease, then give remark as a critical. If test result is negative and chronic disease is yes, then unhealthy. If it is positive and no, then home quarantine. Negative and no, then healthy. Now we have to use 2 inputs. So for 2 inputs, we have to use AND loop. And what? And will combine the 2 conditions. Now see, we have 4 conditions with us. So we have to use 3 times if. If 3 ifs logical test will fail, then and then only it is healthy. Okay, so we have to use 3 if loop. So let's see how to use it. First, if we have to use AND keyword which joins the condition. B4 is positive, that is this column, and this is the input value. If B4 is positive and C4 is yes, then write it as a critical. Okay. Otherwise, this is the first part of the if loop. Otherwise, if this condition is failed, then we have to check the next conditions. That is, if B4 is equal to positive and C4 is equal to no, then home quarantine. Third, if this is also failed, then if condition, that is, if it is negative and yes, then put remark as unhealthy, otherwise as a healthy. And there are 3 closing brackets for the if loop. As we have to, we used 3 ifs, so put 3 closing brackets. This is what you have to take care. Every time you have to write second if and the combination of the conditions in the false section of the first. Okay. So see, for this one, in the second one, first result is failed. So we have to check next condition. Next is also fail. So we have to check third condition. In third condition it is true. So it is unhealthy. In fourth one, all the 3 conditions were failed. So we have to put remark as healthy. Okay, this is what a multiple if. Okay, thank you.